As a result, many people enter relationships searching only for feelings instead of building meaningful emotional foundations. But feelings alone are fragile. True love survives because loyalty gives it strength when emotions become weak. And that is what separates temporary relationships from relationships that truly endure through time. We live in a generation where love is constantly displayed on screens. Every day, social media is filled with romantic pictures, couple goals, anniversary posts matching outfits, emotional captions, and short videos showing perfect relationships. From the outside, it often looks like everyone is deeply happy and emotionally connected. But the reality behind many of those pictures is very different. Social media love is not always real love. Sometimes people are only showing beautiful moments while hiding painful realities. A couple may smile in front of the camera and still struggle with emotional distance, disrespect, or unhappiness behind closed doors. The internet captures seconds of a relationship, but real love is built in the unseen moments nobody posts online. And this is where many young people become confused. They begin comparing their real relationships with edited versions of someone else's life. They think love should always look exciting, perfect, glamorous, and publicly visible. If their relationship does not constantly create dramatic emotions or social media attention, they start believing something is wrong. But true love is not a performance. Real love is not measured by how many pictures are posted together or how romantic someone appears online. It is measured by emotional honesty, loyalty, respect, understanding, and consistency in everyday life. Social media often focuses more on appearance than emotional depth. People carefully choose filters, captions, and moments that make relationships look ideal. But relationships are not built through filters. They are built through communication during difficult moments, patience during misunderstandings, and support during painful seasons. Unfortunately, today many people seek attention more than connection. Some relationships survive publicly but collapse privately because they are built on validation instead of emotional maturity. People become more focused on proving love to others rather than nurturing the relationship itself. They care more about being seen together than truly understanding each other. And this creates emotional emptiness, because attention can never replace genuine connection. A relationship may receive thousands of likes online and still feel emotionally lonely in reality. Two people may appear happy publicly while silently feeling disconnected inside. Social media can create the illusion of love without necessarily creating emotional intimacy. This is dangerous for young people because it changes the way they understand relationships. Many begin chasing temporary excitement instead of meaningful emotional bonds. They become addicted to constant validation, dramatic affection, and online approval. If a relationship becomes quiet, stable, or emotionally mature, they mistake peace for boredom. But true love often feels calm rather than dramatic. Real love is found in small unnoticed moments, checking on someone during a difficult day, listening carefully when they feel broken, staying loyal during emotional distance, respecting someone's feelings even during disagreements. These things rarely go viral online, yet they are the foundation of meaningful relationships. Social media also creates unrealistic expectations. People begin expecting perfection from others because they constantly consume unrealistic relationship content. The moment flaws appear, patience disappears. Instead of working through challenges, many individuals leave relationships searching for another perfect connection that does not truly exist. But love between human beings will never be perfect because people themselves are imperfect. That is why emotional maturity matters more than online appearance. A healthy relationship does not need to constantly prove itself publicly. Some of the strongest relationships are deeply private, peaceful, and grounded in trust rather than attention. They focus on emotional safety instead of social approval. True love grows through sincerity, not performance. And perhaps this is the lesson today's youth needs most. Not everything beautiful online is emotionally healthy in reality. Real love is not about impressing strangers on the internet. It is about protecting each other's hearts in real life. Because temporary online attention fades quickly, but genuine emotional connection has the power to survive long after the screens are turned off. True love is not supposed to feel like a constant battle. It is not meant to leave a person emotionally exhausted, confused, or afraid every single day. Yet many people today mistake emotional chaos for deep love. They believe jealousy means care, control means protection, and emotional pain means passion. But real love does not destroy peace within a person. True love creates peace, respect, and emotional safety. When someone truly loves you, their presence should make your heart feel calmer, not heavier. You should not constantly fear being abandoned, insulted, manipulated, or emotionally ignored. Real love creates comfort because it is built on trust and understanding instead of fear and insecurity. Emotional safety is one of the most beautiful parts of genuine love. It means feeling accepted without pretending to be someone else. It means being able to express emotions honestly without fear of humiliation. A person feels emotionally safe when they know their pain will not be mocked, their weaknesses will not be used against them, and their feelings will be treated with care. Unfortunately, many relationships today lack this emotional safety. Some people stay in relationships where they are constantly criticized, controlled, ignored, or emotionally drained. They begin doubting their worth because love is mixed with emotional pain. Instead of feeling supported, they feel anxious. Instead of feeling respected, they feel small. But love should never make someone lose themselves completely. True love allows people to grow while still protecting their dignity. A loving person does not constantly attack someone's confidence. They encourage growth without destroying self-worth. They correct mistakes with kindness instead of cruelty. Even during disagreements, respect remains present, and respect matters deeply in relationships. Without respect, love slowly becomes unhealthy. Someone may say beautiful words, but if their behavior repeatedly humiliates, insults, or emotionally damages the other person, those words lose meaning. Respect is shown through actions. Listening carefully, speaking gently during conflict, valuing boundaries, and treating someone's emotions seriously. Real love understands that every human being carries invisible emotional wounds. Some people have experienced betrayal, rejection, heartbreak, or loneliness before entering a relationship. A loving partner does not use those wounds to gain control. Instead, they become a source of healing and emotional stability. This is why true love feels peaceful rather than emotionally chaotic. A healthy relationship does not require constant emotional games to survive. It does not depend on manipulation, mind games, or making someone jealous to feel important. Peaceful love may appear less dramatic to the outside world, but it is emotionally stronger because it is built on stability instead of emotional confusion. Today, many young people have become used to toxic relationship patterns. They mistake inconsistency for excitement and emotional instability for intensity. If someone creates drama, they assume the connection must be powerful. But relationships filled with constant fear, anxiety, and disrespect slowly damage emotional well-being. Love should not feel like emotional survival. True love creates an environment where both people feel valued, heard, and emotionally protected. It allows individuals to communicate honestly without constantly fearing rejection or emotional punishment. Even during hard times, there is still care in the way both people treat each other. Peace in love is not weakness, it is emotional maturity. It takes maturity to remain respectful during anger. It takes maturity to protect someone's feelings even during disagreements. It takes maturity to choose understanding instead of cruelty. And perhaps this is what makes true love so rare today. Many people know how to create attraction, but very few know how to create emotional safety. They know how to impress, but not how to protect hearts gently. But real love is not measured by temporary excitement alone. It is measured by how safe someone feels emotionally in your presence, by how much respect exists during difficult moments, by whether your love heals wounds instead of creating new ones. Because in the end, the most beautiful relationships are not the loudest ones. They are the ones where two people quietly become each other's peace in a world already filled with enough pain and chaos. Many people love the idea of love, but very few truly understand the responsibility that comes with it. They are attracted to the beautiful parts, the attention, affection, excitement, romantic conversations, and emotional connection, but when relationships begin demanding patience, sacrifice, consistency, and emotional maturity, many people start losing interest. This is because modern love is often focused more on feelings than responsibility. True love is not something that survives automatically. Relationships do not remain strong simply because two people once felt deeply connected. Love requires continuous effort from both individuals. Without effort, even the strongest feelings slowly weaken over time. A relationship is like a living thing. It needs care, communication, honesty, understanding, and emotional presence to survive. If people stop investing emotionally in one another, distance quietly begins growing between them. Small misunderstandings become bigger. Silence replaces communication. Assumptions replace understanding. And eventually people who once felt deeply connected begin feeling emotional